Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Love Charms World. And today is day 1 of 4. It's a Tuesday and your girl will be working on Thanksgiving. I wanted it off but I couldn't get it off, so I'll be working it. I'm getting paid time and a half, so it's a plus. I get off Friday afternoon, so that's not bad. This trip is not really that crazy. I think today's 3 trips, tomorrow's 2, and then Thursday's 2, and then Friday is 3. But the only downside is Thursday we have a 3-hour sit in Detroit, and then we do a flight to Syracuse. So we have 2 Syracuse layover. We have Syracuse tonight, then Rochester tomorrow, then Syracuse. Today's day 1 of 4. Usually I started in the airport. The airport seems a little empty today though. So I'm gonna do my checks and then I will get back to you guys and see what I could squeeze in for you guys to see. I haven't been in Syracuse in such a long time. It's been a while. Yeah. So I'm working in the back today. And each day we have to switch. Tomorrow we're the front, you know how it goes. So let me go get this check done and I will get back to you guys in a few. Guys, I need some suggestions as to like what you guys would love to see in my videos, because I'm really trying to get my views up, because I have the subscribers. The subscribers are going up but I don't see you guys are watching my channel. Like, what's going on? Like, I need to know what you guys want to see. I do travel vlogs. I try to do every little thing so that I could get you guys drawn in, but I love to do vlogs. Vlogs is like one of my favorite things to do. So I'm just wondering, like, what are you guys interested in seeing? You know? It's so hot on the aircraft. Well, it's kind of warm in New York today. It's nice weather. Whew. Yeah. Well, we're in Washington DC now. They just cleaned and sprayed down everything in the plane. But you know what I noticed, guys? And I thought I was the only one. Like, my hives has been like popping out like crazier now than ever. Like, this has never happened to me. So we have this Facebook group on Facebook, obviously. And they're saying that apparently I'm not the only one that's breaking out, and my skin is extremely dry. So it could be, I don't know if it's look, you see this? I'm breaking out in hives, and I don't know if it's what they're spraying in here that I'm allergic to or what, but it's just not, I don't know what's going on with my skin. My skin is extremely dry. And it's breaking out in hives like crazy. So it's not working out for me. And I don't know what to do. The lady that I'm working with is like, don't make this a career. Because maybe one day, you know, with the decompression, with you going up and down, it does something inside of your body. But yeah, we'll see. I'll make sure I take my vitamins. My aunt blended me up some ginger, cayenne pepper, apple cider vinegar and stuff like, oh, I forgot it, guys. It's spicy, but it's good for you, you know, and it cuts fat, and it's good if you're diabetic and all those stuff. It's just like the black seed bitters. Whatever that's on the black seed bitters is good for you guys should check it out. It's really good for you. Boost your immune system, give you a cleanse and everything. So not crazy cleanse that you run to the bathroom like, oh my god, you know, but it's bearable. So you guys should check it out to, you know, get your body all healthy and everything. So I can't believe I forgot it. I was gonna take it, but waiting to board to go back to JFK, and then we go to Syracuse tonight, as I said before. And then yeah, that's about it. So guys, I'm here trying to take my pills. Oh, let me try and fit you guys properly. Trying to fix you guys up so you can see. Well, I'm trying to take my pill because this is my little bag that have everything in, my deodorant, my face wash, and everything. But I don't think the pill that I'm taking is strong enough for my skin anymore. I take Zyrtec. I used to take, I forgot the other one that I used to take. I think I'm gonna try, is it Allegra for allergies? I think that's what it is. Huh? Is it, how many miles? What's the miles? Miles. Oh, you didn't get paperwork yet? Okay. Yeah, so I don't think it's strong enough for my my body anymore, especially with what's going on with this, what they're spraying in the air. I don't think it's working. So it lasts for like 2 days or a day. I'm so glad that they have these water now and they don't have Dasani, because Dasani is not good for you guys. It's not good. It has salt in it. Yeah, my skin have been extremely dry. You usually get dry, really dry around winter time, but this year I noticed that it's extra dry. So I have my Vaseline that I use along with my lotion, because trust me guys, my skin needs moisture, and the less moisture it gets, the more it breaks out and it just start acting crazy. So I try to keep my skin moisturized. The new face wash that I'm using, I noticed that it's drying out all the bumps that I had way more bumps here, but it's drying it out, so it's kind of clearing my skin a little bit. So let's see how it goes for a little while. I don't want to jinx it. I really don't want to jinx it. So I'm trying. I have my Lysol spray everywhere. Trying to moisturize my hand. I have L'Occitane Rose. Man, I really don't want my skin to like break out and be crazy. So I'm trying to stay moisturized and try and take vitamins and everything so nothing happens, you know. I prefer the original L'Occitane though. I like the rose, but it's a little I feel like it dissolves quicker. How can I say it? It doesn't last as long. It's moisture for when you put it on real quick, but it doesn't last long. Meanwhile, the original, that's more creamy and thick, so it lasts longer on your skin. I was looking for it, but they seem to don't have it. But I'm gonna try and see if I could get it. I'm gonna try and see if I could get it. So I saw that December 1st they're going to try and close back down New York, and I'm curious to see what's gonna happen, because that's not a good move, especially for the airline industry, because we're trying to pick back up now, and for this to happen is not gonna be good for us at all. And especially New York. New York base suffered a lot during, sorry, yeah, can you guys see me? Yeah, New York base already suffered a lot. Let me try and put this back up here. something. Oh, it fit. Takes a little wiggle and then it goes in. I have these extras around here just in case passenger need more, because sometimes they want more than one to wipe down everything to be safe. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys when I get to Syracuse. So it's the next day and I overnigted in Syracuse. The reason why I didn't vlog is because I'm coming back here tomorrow anyway, so I'll just vlog that for you guys. So today's day 2 of 4 and we go from Syracuse to Detroit and then from Detroit to Rochester tonight, and we lay over in Rochester. They actually changed hotel in Rochester. We now stay at a different hotel. At a different hotel. So I already cleaned everything that needed to be clean and organized everything, like my bag to give out to the passengers when they come on board. I have my gloves on there, so I'm ready to go. I kind of like this evening 2-leg kind of thing, and it's short, it's not long. I hate when you work like in the afternoon and you don't finish like the last time when I start like 10 a.m. and don't finish until like 10 p.m. in the night. That's long. That's long. So this schedule on this trip is not that bad, so I'm not complaining. And then I finish Friday at like 2:40, so not bad. So yeah, I wish I was home for Thanksgiving though, but it is what it is. But I'll see you guys when I get to Detroit. So guys, made it to Rochester. Drama on the plane just now with the passenger. She cursed out my other flight attendant and she's gonna get right up. Yeah guys, as I was saying, there was drama on the plane just now and a passenger was being very like rude and like cursing and all of that, just because we told her to be compliant. Anyways, I'm heading to the hotel now in Rochester, and yeah, it's crazy. So I'm loving this new hotel so far. Let me see. It doesn't even where's the numbers? So guest room starts around here, and I'm trying to find a microwave to heat up my dinner. So I need to find the ice machine and okay, microwave, found it. In here trying to heat up my food and stuff. I actually like so far, the hotel looks really cute. I wonder why they never put us here from the beginning. Oh my god, guys, so tomorrow is Thanksgiving and over 80 plus flights is canceled. That's crazy because crews are calling out sick. COVID. Just try to stay hydrated, guys. Take your vitamins, get some black seed bitters and drink it. Blend up some natural remedies to keep your immune system boost. Wear your mask, wash your hands and everything, and try to stay COVID free, guys, because it's gonna get real. And we're getting a second wave and it's starting to get crazier. This is how you know the room is clean, when they have these signs on the door. So this is my room, guys. They have this right here. And just a little balcony to look at downstairs and stuff. Nothing crazy, but it's cute because you get to see the pool and stuff. And let's see the bathroom. Mirror, closet. Oh, this is the bathroom. This is how you know they cleaned, disinfect everything, and yeah. So I'm gonna wash up now and get something to eat, and then that's it for the day, the night. I see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, good morning, happy Thanksgiving. You'll be seeing this video way after, but I hope that you enjoy Thanksgiving, and I hope that what are you thankful for? Comment down below. What are you thankful for this year? Although despite what happened this year, what are you thankful for? Comment down below and let me know. Let's chat, okay? Well, for me, I'm thankful for life, like for real. I'm thankful to even be alive. I'm thankful to even have a job during this pandemic, you know. I'm thankful for everything. I'm just really thankful. I'm even thankful for the good and for the bad things that happen, you know, because they say everything happens for a reason, as cliche as that sound, but I'm very thankful. Yeah, so comment down below, what are you thankful for? So today is day 3 of 4. Yo, this trip went by quick and I like it. I'm not complaining. So today we go from I'm currently in Rochester, and then we go from Rochester to Detroit, and then we have a 3-hour sit. What my company do for all bases, like our main bases, they have like Thanksgiving food and stuff. But I don't know if I'm gonna go, cause I'm not into turkey and candy, and I'm not in, like, my family, we don't do American style Thanksgiving cooking. We do like Jamaican style Christmas cooking. Like on Christmas, we do like a big cooking with like curry goat oxtail, like fried chicken, mac and cheese, stuff like that. We don't really, my grandmother do turkey, but I'm not really a turkey person. And what she does, she do jerk chicken turkey. Jerk chicken turkey. She do jerk turkey or something like that, but I'm not really a fan of turkey. Guys, I can't even talk. I'm not really a fan of turkey. So yeah, so I'll just buy something in the terminal and eat. I kind of feel a little sad that I'm not home, but you know, it is what it is. I have to work, right? But either way, I'm all ready. I'm just sitting down listening to some Christmas song. I actually do love this time of year with the song and the weather. I just like it. It just give me a very like, it puts me in a oh my god in love kind of mood. I don't know why, but I do like this time of year, even though sometimes this time of year I'm kind of sad. But either way, so I'm all ready, and I'm just gonna chill for a bit and then go downstairs. Yeah, because yesterday we had a mishap with the van. It was supposed to be 4:30, but but there was 5 p.m. written, so everybody was ready and downstairs waiting, and I had to rush. And I don't like to be late. I hate being late. I hate being. Either way, we made it to the airport more than over an hour and change. We made it at the gate, so we were on time, way on time, you know. But there was a mishap, so either way, made it, and yeah. But I'm just gonna go downstairs now. Gonna drink some water and go downstairs and start this day. And I hope you're having a good evening so far. And yeah, don't forget to comment down below. Guys, I need my comment section to be on and popping. Like, what is going on? You guys were commenting the other day, then you stop, then you start. Come on, guys, comment down below. I talk to you. I actually respond to everybody. You know what I mean? Comment down below. What are you thankful for? What kind of content do you guys want to see on my channel? Like, what more would you like to see my vlog? Stuff like that. Just comment down below. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few. Guys, in the morning, how beautiful it is. To the crew room to see what they had. I'm not really interested in anything what they have, so I just came to Chili's to buy some quesadilla and stuff. I'm just gonna chill because I have a 3-hour sit here in Detroit. I'm just gonna go find somewhere really quiet to sit and just stay there. Hey guys, so just made it into my hotel room. I'm feeling extremely tired. The van guy said that it's just my company in the hotel. There's just like 10% of us in the entire hotel. Like, what? That's not good. I guess everybody stayed home for Thanksgiving. Anyways, I'm surprised I actually have a microwave in here. And microwave. Usually we don't have any, but they said in some rooms anyways they will have it, which is rare. Anyways, I'm gonna get freshened up and get ready for bed. The hotel is kind of like the hotel that it's the same hotel that we stayed in last night in Rochester, so the layout is pretty much the same. So I won't really do a room tour, but I see you guys in the morning, and I hope you're having a good evening so far. Bye. Good morning, everyone, and happy holidays. So today's day 4 of 4, and we have a long day today. We go to JFK and then we do a Chicago turn, so we finish. It's now 5 something, and we finish at 3 p.m. today. So I'm all ready to go downstairs. So yesterday for my Thanksgiving, I actually did cook some rice and peas and chicken before I came to work. So it felt like I was part of it by myself. But, you know, it is what it is. That's what I did yesterday. And I wasn't feeling well, so I went to sleep as well. Kind of tired, but it is what it is. So I'm off for 2 days, and I have a lot to get in, and then my crazy schedule with 1 day off starts. I know I'm gonna be tired, but I'm gonna have to try. This month have been crazy and I'm already tired already, so I'm gonna have to prepare myself for it mentally. Anyways, I'm about to go downstairs and catch this fan, and I'll see you guys in a few. Guys, so we're in JFK, no one around, getting some fresh air. And I just went to my crew room to get some gloves, because the gloves on the they give us on the plane is so big for my hand. I don't know. But we're gonna do the Chicago turn now, and then I'm finished for today. I like the early Chicago turn. I prefer it because you finish at like 2:50. So yeah. Okay, I have to go home. I have to edit. I have a lot of vlogs that I film that needs to be edited. I probably have like 5 vlogs that I haven't edited yet, so because I want to be consistent, so I film so that you guys can have content. And we're trying to build our family, so I'm really trying to film as much as I can to upload. Yeah, I'm gonna try and do 2 vlogs today, because let me see my schedule. Yeah, because I have a Sunday that I actually work as well, so, and things is gonna be a little crazy, so I have to edit. So 2 vlogs tonight. I'm gonna try and, or probably edit 1 tonight and 1 tomorrow, depending on how I feel. I'm gonna edit them back to back. So yeah. JFK and rushing to exit this airport. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment below what kind of content you guys want to see, or just to talk. I respond back. All right, have a good day. Bye.